Hi, this is Mirna with Knitting with Mirna, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to knit the seafoam stitch. This is a reversible stitch with nice opening, ideal for summer or spring garments. It is a combination of a garter stitch and yarn over, and it's worked on a multiple of 10 stitches plus 8. For this sample, I cast on 18 stitches. I'm using my Knit Picks Brava Sports yarn, which is a sports weight yarn, and I'm using my Knit Pick needles. So I cast on 18 stitches, and row 1 and 2 are knit rows. So I'm going to jump into row 3 so that you can see how this pattern is worked. You can check the description below, and I'll have a link for cast on and for the knit stitch. So row 3, knit 7, yarn over twice, knit 1, yarn over 3 times, knit 1, yarn over 4 times, knit 1, yarn over 3 times, knit 1, yarn over twice, and knit to the end of the row. Row 4, knit dropping all yarn overs off the left hand needle without working them. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So you're going to knit all your knit stitches, and when you get to the yarn over, you're just going to slide it off the needle without working it. Knit. Here's a yarn over, slide it off your needle. Here's the knit stitch, so you'll knit that. Here's another yarn over, so slide it off the needle, knit 1, slide off, knit 1, slide off, and continue knitting. I don't think we have any more yarn overs at this point, so you'll just knit till the end of the row. Rows 5 and 6 are knit stitches only. So knit row 5 and knit row 6, and I'll come back for row 7. Row 7, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over twice, 1, 2, knit 1, yarn over 3 times, knit 1, yarn over 4 times, knit 1, yarn over 3 times, knit 1, yarn over twice, oh, let me do it again, 1, 2, good, knit 6, 1, 2, yarn over twice, so knit 1, yarn over 3 times, knit 1, yarn over 4 times, knit 1, yarn over 3 times, knit 1, yarn over twice, and knit these last 2 stitches. Row 8, you're going to knit, dropping all the yarn over off the left needle without working them. So you knit turn your work, and here is your repeat. Here is your 8-row repeat. Let me see if you can see how it works. So you will repeat these 8 rows. So we've worked this part here, here, and here. And then again, you will repeat rows 1 and 2, knit rows, and begin again with row 3, and so on. So I hope you like this tutorial. It's really easy to follow as you increase and decrease the number of wraps that you do on the yarn over to create this oval shape and the waves on this pattern. You'll find different patterns that probably require more rows or less rows of garter stitch in between the yarn over, but this is the basic concept. I hope you like it. If you make something following this pattern and this tutorial, please tag me on my social media on Facebook and Instagram, Knitting with Mirna. And please subscribe, click like, leave a comment, and activate the bell, the notification bell, so you can get more updates on when I post a new tutorial. Thank you. Bye.